Your BMW is designed to deliver driving joy for years to come. But on the road ahead, there's always the chance that a breakdown may occur when you least expect it. BMW Mechanical Breakdown Protection is the simplest way to protect yourself from unexpected repair costs after your new vehicle limited warranty expires. It provides comprehensive coverage of many major components, from engine and transmission to suspension, steering, and more. Coverage can be customized to meet your driving and lifestyle needs, with term options ranging up to 7 years. And, just like your vehicle's factory warranty, repairs will be completed by BMW certified technicians using genuine BMW-approved parts. Beyond the exceptional coverage, BMW Mechanical Breakdown Protection offers an array of additional benefits to protect you and your vehicle. This includes 24/7 BMW Roadside Assistance, which provides an extensive range of services to keep you moving in the event of the unexpected. Plus, if you decide to sell your vehicle before coverage ends, Mechanical Breakdown Protection can be transferred to the next owner, which may help maximize its resale value. Journey with confidence, knowing you're covered. Discover Mechanical Breakdown Protection at your authorized BMW retailer today, and enjoy peace of mind on all life's roads.